All right, let's dive into a really big idea in the world of machine learning today, underfitting. It's one of the most common reasons an AI model just, well, fails. Understanding this is absolutely key if you want to build systems that actually work. So what is it really, and what do we do about it?
To really wrap our heads around this, let's think about it this way. Imagine your AI model is a student, and it's got a huge exam coming up. But what if that student just doesn't study, like at all? Maybe they glanced at the first page of the textbook and figured, yeah, I'm good. That's basically the essence of what we're talking about here.
So, in data science, this whole unprepared student problem, it's got a name. We call it underfitting, and it describes a model that just completely failed to learn the material it was supposed to.
At its core, it means the model is just too simple for the job. It lacks the complexity it needs. It's trying to understand this really intricate subject, but all it has are these very basic tools, so it completely misses the deep, important patterns hidden away in the data.
Here's another great way to put it. Think about signal versus noise. In any data set, you have the signal. That's the real, true pattern you want your model to find, and then you have all the random noise around it. Well, an underfit model, it just hasn't learned enough to tell the difference. It's so basic that it misses the signal entirely.
Okay, so if our model is this unprepared student, how can we tell? What are the failing grades that show us something's gone really wrong? The good news is, the signs are usually crystal clear. And here is the biggest giveaway of all. The model does badly on its practice test. That's the training data we give it. But then it also does badly on the final exam. That's the new, fresh data it has never seen before. It's a total failure across the board. The student bombed the practice quiz, and then, no surprise, they bombed the real test too.
Which, of course, brings us to the most obvious question. Why? Why is this happening? Why didn't our student learn the material in the first place? Well, it usually comes down to a few common culprits.
So let's break these down. First, the model itself might just be too simple for the kind of problem you're throwing at it. Second, maybe it didn't have enough to learn from. Like giving a student just a couple of math problems and expecting them to ace a calculus exam. And third, maybe it just didn't get enough study time. You didn't train it long enough for the concepts to actually sink in.
Let's really focus on that first one for a second, the model being too simple. To get a feel for this, just imagine the true pattern in your data isn't some simple straight line. Instead, it's a complex, winding, curving story with all these twists and turns.
Now, what happens if the only tool you've given your model is a ruler? It's going to try its best to capture that complex, curvy story by drawing one single straight line through it. And no matter where it draws that line, it's going to be a disaster. It's going to miss almost everything important because it literally doesn't have the ability to see the real shape of the problem. It is simply the wrong tool for the job.
So what's the real consequence of all this? I mean, an underfit model isn't just about getting a low score on a test. It points to a much deeper problem. A complete failure to understand what it was built to do.
At the end of the day, the model isn't just making a few random mistakes. It's making bad predictions because its entire view of the world is flawed and way too simple. It just couldn't find the signal in the noise. Imagine a weather app that can only predict sunny because it's too simple to understand the patterns that create a thunderstorm. Every single prediction it makes is built on a faulty foundation. And that's why catching underfitting is so incredibly important.